Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. This question is an interesting question. It's not too difficult, but I've seen many students struggle with these type of questions. I'm not telling what the topic is exactly, but when you read the question, you can straight away figure this out. Please pause the video and give this a try. A coach company charges passengers based on distance and a fixed booking fee. Now, this is really important. Now, when many students see this question, they think, oh, adults and children may have different fee structures. Like adults might have to pay more, children have to pay less or something. Where in fact, there are many exam questions and even in reality, there are many situations where adults and children have two different amounts that they need to pay. But this particular question very clearly says the charges depend on distance and a fixed booking fee. So here, all we need to know is that there are three people. Here, one adult and three children. All we need to consider here is four people. This is one of the places where many students kind of muddle up this question. So let's have a look. Now, the fixed booking fee. So let's call that lowercase f. And the cost per kilometer is the other parameter. Let's call that lowercase c. Now, this is simultaneous equations, as you may have guessed by now. Now, let's see how to do this one. The first one is a 120 kilometer journey. So there are three people. So you have to pay 3 times the booking fee, 3f. Add. There are three people and they travel 120 kilometers, and per kilometer it's c. So it's 120 multiplied by 3 multiplied by c. Now this is important. Why did I do these two? Why did I multiply these two? Because it's 120 kilometers is the distance traveled by each person. But the coach company charges that from 3 people. So that's 120 times 3. That's actually 360 kilometers from the point of view of the company, because there are 3 people. So times by c is equal to 45.6. That's the first one. So let's write it nicely. 3f plus 360c is equal to 45.6. That's the first one. The second situation, there are 4 people. So there's 4 times booking fee, 4f, plus the distance now is 200 kilometers. And there are 4 people. So that needs to be multiplied by 4. And that many kilometers, when you consider all 4 people, times by c gives you 61.20. Now, 4f plus 200 times 4 is 800c is equal to 61.2. That's my second equation. So let's solve this one. Here's a 4 here. So I'm going to multiply all of the first equation by 4. And there's a 3 up here next to f. So I'm going to multiply the second equation by 3. So 12f take away 12f is 0. 1440 take away 2400 gives me negative number 960c. 182.4 take away 183.6 also gives me negative 1.2. So all I need to do is divide both sides by negative 960. So these two gets cancelled out. So I know c is equal to 0.9 note 125. It's a very small amount of money, but that's what it is. So that's the value of C. So the charge per kilometer per person is that much. Now, we need to find the booking fee per person as well. To do that, I can substitute in equation 1. So let's do it. And F is equal to 15.05. So I know the booking fee per person is £15 and 5 pence. So those are the final answers.